Hello and good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Young Grandma. For today's video guys, I wanna show you how to crochet these hair scratches or our hair tie. In this project, we need a hair tie or a string, yung rubber band para sa pantali sa ating hook. To begin, we need to make a slip knot and then i-grab natin yung ating string and yung ating yarn. Then we will make a single crochet around the string. A total of 50 single crochet around. Nahawakan ko yung kanyang tail, yung buntot ng ating yarn, para mas matibay siya. Kailangan natin siyang i-crochet dyan sa loob. So we'll continue this single crochet all around until the last crochet or 50 crochet. And then at the end, we need to slip knot our first round. That and then chain 4, then single crochet in the next stitch or the back loop only. Chain 4 and then single crochet on the back loop. May dalawang loops yung ating crochet and then yung doon sa likod, doon tayo mag-crochet ng single crochet. Then chain 4 and single crochet in the back loop and then chain 4, single crochet in the back loop and then chain 4, single crochet. Then we'll continue this pattern all the way to the last stitch. The end of this round, round 2, we need to chain 4 and single crochet in the next, on the first 4 chain space. For round 3, we need to chain 4, then single crochet in the next space. Chain 4 and single crochet in the next space. Chain 4, then single crochet in the next. We'll continue this pattern all the way around. Ganito na yung kanyang itsura. In every space, we need to make a single crochet and chain 4. At the end of this round, we need to chain 4 and slip stitch on the first 4 chain space. Then single crochet and cut our yarn. So ito na yung ating back loop na crochet. Ilak lang natin yung ating extra yarn. And in the next mag-change tayo ng kulay ng ating yarn para sa ating front loop, para double color siya. So, gagamit tayo dito ng white color, puti na yarn, para sa ating front loop. Then, we can join in any stitch. Pwede natin siya ilagay kahit saan. Doesn't matter. Kuha muna tayo ng loop and then grab the yarn and single crochet. Then, chain 4 for our first round. 2, 3, 4. And single crochet in the front loop. Kanina yung back loop, diba? So, ngayon dito tayo sa front loop. Then, chain 4. Then, single crochet in the next loop. Yung front loop natin. Kanina kasi nag-crochet tayo doon sa likod, yung sa back. Kasi may dalawang loop yung stitches natin doon sa first, ano yun, yung nasa likod. Back loop only, then now in the front loop. All single crochet, chain 4, then single crochet, chain 4, then single crochet all the way around hanggang mabuo yung ating mga stitches. Ganyan na siya yung itsura pa. Katulad lang din ng first row natin, yung pink color natin kanina. So, ito na yung first round ng white color. And then, at the end of this round, we need to chain 4 and single crochet on the 4 chain space. Dito. Single crochet. Then, chain 4 for second round. O, third round pala. Single crochet, chain 4, and then single crochet in every 4 space, chain space. And chain 4, single crochet on the next 4 chain space, and then chain 4, single crochet in the next 4 chain space. So, we'll continue this pattern all the way around hanggang mabuo yung ating third round. At the end of this round, we need to chain 4 and then slip stitch in the first 4 chain space. And then chain 1 and cut our yarn. Pagkatapos, i-lock natin yung ating yarn. Itahi natin siya, guys. Para hindi siya matanggal. So, ito na yung ating hair scrunches. White and pushy pink. Pa-stretch pa yan siya, guys, yung ating rubber band. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!